I will show you how to open your TikTok account privacy. Open your TikTok. Click the three lines on the top right. Then select Settings and Privacy. Click Privacy on the screen. We can see my account is a public account if you want to private your account. Just turn on in the Private Account section. If you want to move again to a public account, press the button again. If you are a public account, then everyone can follow you, see your posts, stitch your videos. If your account is private, all of these activities will get permission from you.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.